In this video, Bitcoin is forming a double bottom pattern on the 4-hour chart, just like it happened in May when we saw this pump. And guys, in this video, I'm going to show you the price target out of this pattern breakout, and also I'm going to show you what's going on the daily chart, because as you can see here, we are still trading within this channel and a bounce may be imminent. And so guys, if you want to know more about this, and if you want to know where I believe the price is going to go in the next few hours and days, then stay tuned. Welcome back to Bitcoin Trading Pro. I'm Federico, and if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like and share with your friends, and let's dive in. So guys, we touched the $25,600 level 2 times and we formed this double bottom pattern, and it seems like we are getting a bounce here. But before showing you the price target in case we break to the upside, I want to show you that in May we got this same pattern here forming this W, which indicates the formation of a double bottom pattern. And when we touched this level the second time, the price of Bitcoin went up by approximately 8%, and with 10x leverage, this was a fantastic 80% profit. And so congratulations if you managed to take this trade. But right now I want to show you something on the daily chart, because we have to pay attention to what's going on a higher time frame. And as you can see here, we have this descending channel on the daily chart, and we are still trading within it. So as you can see here, every time we touched this support level, which is this trend line, we then saw a bounce. And so I am expecting the same thing right now, because we touched this level and right now we should get a bounce. And I want to show you also that we are getting supported by this critical level here, which is this trend line that I showed you already, but also we are trading above this key support at $25,000. And I want to show you this because in case we break this descending trend line out of this descending channel, you don't have to be scared, because as you can see here, the $25,000 level, it's a huge support level for Bitcoin, because we tested this level as a resistance in previous price action, and then we got rejected and we lost approximately 20%. And then we tested it again, and when we broke it, we then went up till $31,000. So guys, this is a huge level for Bitcoin. I am expecting a bounce if we touch that level. And also you can see that on the daily chart, we are forming this uptrend since November 2022. And so if we stay above $25,000, we can still preserve this uptrend. And so the price would continue to go up like this. And to be honest, even if we go till 20K or a bit above 20K, we would still preserve this uptrend, because we would get another lower low. And guys, if we break the 25K support level, then the next big support would be at $23,000 approximately, as you can see here in previous price action. So in case we break the 25K level to the downside, then I believe that we may go till $23,000. As you can see here, this is an important level for Bitcoin. And so these are the next big support levels for Bitcoin. But right now, I want to show you finally the price target in case we break that pattern here on the 4-hour chart, which is the double bottom pattern. So let me clean the charts very quickly. And so guys, how do you measure the price target of a double bottom pattern breakout? First of all, let's draw our W for reference. And as you can see, we have this intermediate high. And this intermediate high tells us that our neckline is at this level, $27,000 approximately. And the breakout happens when the price breaks this neckline level. And if we break that level, where are we going to go? In order to understand that, we need to measure the distance between the neckline and the bottom of the pattern. And then we move this line to the breakout point. And so Bitcoin should go to $28,600 approximately if we break this neckline out of this double bottom pattern. However, you need to be aware that we have this strong resistance here at $27,400, which is the resistance of this channel on the daily chart. So if I were you, I would instead enter a long position right now at $25,900 approximately and trade it till the neckline, so till $27,170. And if you place this trade and hold till the neckline, you would make almost 50% profit with 10x leverage. And guys, of course, this is not financial advice, but if you want to place this trade with me on Bybit, then you can use my link down below to register on Bybit trading platform, which in my opinion is the best platform for trading Bitcoin with leverage. And if you sign up with my link, you will also get a big sign up bonus. And guys, for today, I think I showed you everything. And if you have any questions, you can write them down in the comment and I will answer every single question regarding technical analysis, Bitcoin trading, and whatever question you have in your mind. And also, don't forget to like this video so that more people can watch it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to learn more about trading and investing. And guys, if you didn't watch my Bitcoin price prediction for 2024 and 2025, then you can watch it right there. And guys, see you in the next video.